Hello children, we continue with the problems given in the exercise 6.5, question numbers 3 and 5. A 15-meter long ladder is reached a window 12 meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. A 15-meter long ladder is reached a window 12 meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. Textbook, the figure is given. Say 15-meter long ladder, the length of the ladder is 15 meter and the ladder is placed against a wall and the top of the ladder reached a window. The top of the ladder reached a window. Here the window is here and the top of the ladder reached a window and the window is 12 meter high from the ground. The window is 12 meter high from the ground. The length of the ladder is 15 meters and the ladder is placed against a wall and the top of the ladder reached a window which is 12 meter high from the ground. So this line represents the ground. Now here we want to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. So here we have the foot of the ladder. The distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall. And in the question it is given that the ladder is placed against a wall at a distance A. So what is the meaning of that? The distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall, the base of the wall is given as A. We have to find the value of A. So when you keep the ladder in this way, you can see that what type of triangle is formed there? A right angled triangle, because the wall is vertical. So the triangle formed here is a right angled triangle. Now we can draw the triangle separately here. Here we have the ground and we have the wall, then a ladder is placed against the wall and the top of the ladder reached a window and the window is at a height of 12 meter from the ground. Now let A denotes the position of the window and the top of the ladder reached at the point A and the base of the wall we can represent by the letter B and the foot of the ladder we can represent by the letter C. And AB represents the wall and AC represents the ladder and BC gives you the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall and you can see a right angled triangle. And we can mark the measures also. Here 15 meters and the AB is 12 meters. We have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. You can see a right angled triangle, right angled at B. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. So in the right angled triangle, ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now the side opposite to angle B is AC or CA and that side is known as the hypotenuse. And what is the length of the hypotenuse? 15 meters. So we can say that AC is equal to 15 meters. And the other two sides we can call it as the legs of the right angled triangle. So AB is equal to 12 meters and BC or CB it is given as A. So we have to find the value of A, that means the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. And we have one important property regarding the right angled triangle, and the name of the property is Pythagoras theorem. So, in order to find out the length of the hypotenuse or length of the legs, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So, what is Pythagoras theorem? The square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on its legs. So, using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the length of BC. So, using Pythagoras theorem, square on the hypotenuse. So, what is the hypotenuse here? AC. So, square on the hypotenuse, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, sum of the squares on its legs. Now, we can substitute. AC is a 15 meter. So, 15 square equal to AB square, 12 square plus BC is A, so A square. Then what is 15 square? 15 square is a 15 into 15. So, we can find out 15 into 15. 15 into 15 225. So, 225 is equal to 12 square, 12 into 12, which is a 144 plus A square. Now, we have to find the value of A. So, we can write this expression as A square plus 144, which is equal to 225. So, 225 equal to 144 plus A square, which is same as A square plus 144 equal to 225. Therefore, A square is equal to, we have to move 144 from left hand side to right hand side. Therefore, 225 minus 144 equal to 225 minus 144, 81. So, A square is equal to 81. Now, we have to find the value of A. So, A square is 81. 81 is the square of which number? 81 is equal to 9 square. 81 is equal to 9 square. So, we can say that A square is equal to 9 square, which means the value of A is equal to 9. Therefore, the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is equal to 9 meters. The distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is equal to 9 meters. Now, question number 5. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. So, we have to draw a tree. Let AB represent the tree. Let AB be the tree. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. Then A represents the base of the tree and B represents the top of the tree. And the tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. So, we have the ground. The tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. Let C be the point at which the tree broke. So, this distance is 5 meter. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground. Then its top touches the ground. The top of the tree is a B and the top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree, and the top touches. So, the top of the tree touches the ground. Then B takes the position D. That means CB takes the position CD. And the top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. So, the distance between the top of the tree where it touches the ground and the base of the tree is 12 meters. Find the original height of the tree. Original height means AB. AB gives you the original height. AB, the original height of the tree is AB. And from A to C, the height is 5 meters. Now we have to find the height of the broken part. So CB we have to find, and CB takes the position CD. And since the tree is vertical, you can see a right angled triangle. And the name of the right angled triangle is triangle DAC. Now we can draw the triangle separately. DAC and DA equal to 12 meters and AC equal to 5 meters. The height of the tree means AB, and AB equal to AC plus CB, and CB assumes the position CD. So, we have to find the length of a CD, and CD is the hypotenuse of the right angled triangle DAC, and we can find the length of the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. So, we can write in the right angled triangle, DAC, AC equal to 5 meters, DA equal to 12 meters, and we have to find the length of a CD. Then using Pythagoras property, square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on its legs. So, we can write as CD square is equal to AC square plus DA square. AC square or CA square, both are same. AC square plus DA square. Then CD square is equal to AC is 5. So, 5 square plus DA is 12, 12 square. Then 5 square, 5 into 5, 25 plus 12 square, 12 into 12, 144. Now 25 plus 144, what you will get? 169. So, CD square is equal to 169. 169 is the square of which number? 169 is the square of 13. So, we can write as 13 square. 13 into 13 equal to 169. So, CD square is equal to 13 square. Therefore, CD equal to 13 meters. CD equal to 13 meters. Now, we have to find the height of the tree. So, what is the height of the tree? AB, and AB equal to AC plus CB. So, height of the tree equal to AB, and AB equal to AC plus CB, and CB is equal to CD. So, we can write CB, the value of CB is equal to CD, so which is equal to 13 meters. Then AC equal to 5 meters, then plus CB, CB is equal to CD, and CD 13 meters, 13 meters. So, which is equal to 18 meters. Therefore, the height of the tree is 18 meters. So, we got this measure as 13 meters. Therefore, the height of the tree is 13 plus 5, we will get 18 meters. So, that is all for today's class. Thank you.